Hello viewers, this is Ananya and I welcome you all to the game show Just a Minute. Here we play simple but exciting games like lift and drop, threading it up and matching colors. I know you guys are all very excited and eager to get into the show. But before we do that, let's start by introducing our contestants for today. And let's start with our Disney World participants. Here we have two teams, Team Mickey and Team Donald. From Team Mickey we have Varmuni, Rauf, and from Team Donald, we have Amarjit and Anu. Welcome you all guys. And let's get started with the first round. It's called Lift and Drop. I will explain you what you have to do. All you have to do is, as you can see, there is a table placed in front of you. One participant from each team has to come up over here and as you can see, two cardboard boxes are placed on the two edges of the table. It's very simple. You have to place the brush in one cardboard box and take it with the ruler and place it on the other cardboard box. But do you know what is the exciting part of it? All you have to do is with your mouth. You cannot use your hands and you will be given just 60 seconds for it. So are you guys ready?
Yes.
So before we get started, I would like to know who is coming up from each team to play this game. From Team Mickey? Okay, give it up from Rahul. And from Team Donald? Amarjit. So can we have an applause for Rauf and Amarjit? Come on guys, little more live. Okay, so I guess Team Mickey will be starting first, right? Rauf, please.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Oh shit. Okay, next chance. Yes, no. Oh shit. Okay, next chance. Yes, Rauf. Oh yes! He has done it in the first go. Oh, thank you, Rauf. Now we move on to Team Donald. And from Team Donald, we are having Amarjit to play the game.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Okay, so Amarjit couldn't do it, but Rauf did it. Big round of applause for Rauf. Team Mickey has won this round and we'll go and see what is the score. So Team Mickey gets 10 points at the end of first round and Team Donald Duck is still a duck with a duck. They haven't even opened their account. Okay, so you guys liked it?
Yes.
So should we move on to the next round?
Yeah.
The next round is also very simple but very exciting. It is called threading it up. But this round involves both the participants of both the teams. You both participants from each team have to come up to the table and as you can see, 4 needles have been kept and there is a thread roll. What you have to do is, it's very simple. You just have to take the needle and put the thread in, threading it up. But the twist comes when one of you will be holding the needle and the other of you will be threading it up. You understood? Yeah. One of you will be holding the needle and the other has to put the thread through the hole. Is it clear to both the teams? Yes. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's see where it takes both the team. Will Team Donald be able to open their account or will Team Mickey lead it once again? We are ready to go. So this time I think we'll start with Team Donald since they haven't got a chance to open their account in the first. So who is coming? Both has to come anyways.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Well, the second round, threading it up, has been won by Team Donald by Anu and Amarjit. Now I call upon Team Mickey, Valmuni and Rav to come and play the game.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Needles in the thread. You just need to put 2 needles. No, there is a confusion. There is a confusion. Balmuni has been trying to put. This is not done. This is not done. No, no, no. So there is an elimination. I think we will eliminate them from this round. I had told you very clearly one. I told you very clearly one will be holding the needle and one will be threading it up. So in that, I think Team Donald has done a fair job and they lead this round. No, that was an unfair means. I won't accept that. Anyways, you have 10 points. Why you worry? Let them also start their account. Okay?
You can give some more points to them.
We'll see that in the next round. We'll see that in the next round. But for this round, Team Donald is a clear winner. Can we have a round of applause for Team Donald? So they're finally opening their account and let's see what the score is now. So Team Mickey is on 10 points and Team Donald at the end of second round gets to have 20 points. So they're leading right now. So as you all know the tortoise and the rabbit story, the tortoise gets to win at the end. So you never know, but still one round is left. So you never know who wins at the end. For that we have to go and look to the next round. So are you guys ready for the third round?
Yes.
Why are you so gloomy? Come on, cheer up.
Yes.
I know it's a competition, but it's a game show at the end of it. Okay, the third round is called matching colors. And what you have to do, as you can see in front of you, there is an array of cups kept upside down with a surprise behind it. What is it? Some colorful balls have been kept underneath the cups. Okay, all you have to do is, and before you start, let me make it clear, only one participant can come and play this game for this round. Okay, so you decide who is going to come up. I guess the ones who haven't played yet, except for the second round. So all you have to do is come up over here, use only one hand to pick up one glass at a time and see what color ball is hidden behind it. And that color ball you have to keep. As you can see, 2 tables have been kept on both sides of this middle one with 4 glasses kept. So what you have to do is take the ball, a single color ball in a single glass. So next time when you do, you have to again, if you're getting the same color ball, you have to again place it in the same glass. A different color ball in the different glass. No mixing colors. This is matching colors as the name of the round suggests. Like this way, you have to get 12 balls of 4 different colors in 1 minute. So just a minute to collect 4 different color balls in 4 different glasses, total 12 balls. So is it clear? Yes. Are you ready?
Yes.
Can we start?
Yeah.
So we'll start with Team Mickey. So who is coming up? Valmoni. Come on, cheer for Valmoni. This is the final round which will decide who is the winner. Let the countdown start, Valmoni.
5, 4, 3,
You can use only one hand.
1.
Okay, cheer up. Come on, he has already put in one ball. Pink color. Next blow goes in blue. You can lift the glasses up. Yes. Come on. Again a pink. Come on, Valmoni. Oh no. It's a mistake, Valmoni. The game ends here. The game ends here. The game ends here. We'll stop with this. Valmoni has committed a mistake again. What is this with Team Mickey? As you can see, Team Mickey is able to put only 3 pink color balls in the glass, but they made a mistake. Instead of matching colors, they have mixed colors. So it has become a mixing color round. This is not done. So as clearly we can see, Team Mickey is disqualified from this round. But to decide the winners, we have to play the game with Team Donald. And from Team Donald, we have none other than Anu. Come on, Anu, you can do it. You can start. Is it clear with you? No confusion?
3, 2, 1.
Start. Okay, Anu has put in one ball. There goes another one. All you have to do is keep putting in 12 balls. But concentration is all you need. There goes in a blue ball in the other glass. Orange one again. Come on, Amanjit. Why Team Mickey is so gloomy? Concentrating whether you will win it or not? Let's see. Come on, Anu. You can do it. Yes. She's almost there. She's almost there. Can she win the game? I guess she can. Come on, Anu, fast. Just one ball difference, and Anu was almost there, but she couldn't make it. Sorry, Anu. As you can see, she has put in 3 yellow balls, 3 orange balls, and 3 blue balls, except for 1 pink ball. Bad luck. And good luck. Very happy Team Mickey that they also couldn't do, and even Team Donald couldn't do. But that the game ends. Now the excitement starts. Who wins today's show? The final scoreboard is yet to come. But let's have a look at the scoreboard as to the previous round as it was there. Team Mickey was with 10 points and Team Donald was with 20 points. And in the third round, as you could see, Team Mickey was disqualified. And Team Donald didn't even complete the game, couldn't complete rather, bad luck. But anyways, at the end, Team Donald is a clear winner, leading with 20 points, 10 points difference from Team Mickey. So, you had a lot of fun?
Yes.
Congratulations to the winner. Come on, give a round of applause for them. That's the spirit. Even Team Mickey is applauding for Team Donald. So, are you ready for the grand prize to be given? Ready? I would request all of you to come up and I'll come and give you the prize. The very special prize of today. What is it? I'm coming. Tantana! Winner gets a huge amount of 10 rupees. Give it up for Anu and Amanjit. Team Donald is the clear winner today with 20 points at the end of 3 rounds. Congratulations once again, Anu and Amanjit. And thank you, Valmoni and Rauf, for coming and playing with us. It was wonderful having you on the show. And it's time for us to wind up the show. We had lots of fun, lots of excitement, lots of buzz, high fun and frolic filled. Well, with this, we come to the end of today's show. Until then, stay happy and keep smiling. This is Ananya signing off.